Yeah, Jeffree, I'm doing the intro right now. Oh my god, yeah, I'm on camera right now. Tell Shane that it'll be up as soon as I can get it up. Okay, love you guys, bye! Sorry guys, that was Jeffree and Shane. They just wanted to make sure that I was getting this video up for you guys. Oh my god. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Lindsay and thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video I am giving you guys a look, some swatches, and then just my thoughts on the new mini controversy palette by Shane / Jeffree Star. You know, X, but I don't know how to do that while talking. Shane X Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Y'all know what I mean. So if you guys are interested in seeing my thoughts, a tutorial, and swatches, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so my eyelids are already primed. I use this one today. It's the Eden Eyeshadow Primer by Urban Decay, one of my faves. And now we have the mini controversy palette. And that's how you break your palette. Alright, so my palette is fine even though it dropped in my lap. So right here I have the mini controversy palette. It's so cute, and honestly I love this packaging. The little rainbow on it with the reflect. It's so pretty. And then when you open it up, there's a nice mirror in here. Woo! So I'm gonna flip that back. And then here is the palette. Ooh, it's so cute. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Hello, girl. But yes, we have the little palette right here. Alright guys, and let's get into some swatches of the palette. Alright, I am armed and ready for swatches. The first shade we're going in with is Flat Earth. There's one swatch. I'm going to do one more just to see how it would look. Next shade is called Cry on My Couch. Literally same. And there is one layer of Cry on My Couch. And bam, here is two layers of Cry on My Couch. The next shade is My Boyfriend's Purse. Ooh, I like that shade a lot. I feel like you don't even need a second layer, but I'm going to go in with another one because I did with all the other ones so far. And there's My Boyfriend's Purse. And of course we have the shade Controversy. Ooh, what a very pretty purple. Do one more swatch on top of it. That is a really pretty purple. I'm like obsessed with looking at that. I think that's so cute. Next we have Diet Root Beer. I almost, oh girl, that was a bad swatch. I like blended into Controversy. What the heck? I'm gonna do one more little layer. That's a nice brown. Girl, okay. It's gonna be a cute transition shade. Next is My Apology. All right. I don't even feel like you need another layer with that one. Now we won't add another one. I don't want to waste so much product. Next shade is called Exposed. Our next shade is called Canceled. I'm going to go in with one more layer. There's the shade Canceled. Our last and final shade is called The Simulation. Ooh, what a very pretty shade. Alright, y'all get the idea of the swatches. I hope that was good. I feel like I'm not the best at swatching, and plus on camera, like my arm was so tired from doing that. Like, I hope you guys get the idea, but let's just get into doing a look. Now my eyelids are already primed using the Eden Eyeshadow Primer by Urban Decay. I'm going in with the shade Diet Root Beer first. Ooh, she pigmented. Okay. No, I haven't tried this shade at all. I know it's in the other palette as well. Oh, she blending out. I don't see any patchiness, and that blended out super quick, and this isn't even an expensive brush. This is from e.l.f. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Cry on My Couch just to kind of make everything look a little bit softer. Alright, I'm going to take a little bit of that Diet Root Beer and then add it to my outer area as well. That is really pigmented though. Like, I barely am tapping into the palette and I'm getting a lot on my brush and it's blending out. That's a really, really nice brown. I don't see any patchiness. It looking good. So on to the next shade. All right, with a MAC 217 brush, I'm going to go in with Controversy. I looked down and that was the first shade that caught my eye. So let's go in and give it a whirl. That is cute. That is showing up. That is really nice. Like, are you guys seeing this? Like, this This is a nice formula. And then I'm going to just take it up into my crease area where we just put Diet Root Beer, but blending out using little circular motions and not so much like wiping back and forth. This is a nice purple, and I feel like purples are always so patchy on me. I'm like shook. I shouldn't be because I love Jeffree's eyeshadows, but I'm so happy. All right, I'm gonna go back in with that first fluffy brush and just kind of blend everything together. Next, I have the shade My Apology, and I'm gonna tuck it right here in the outer, very outer area, just to give it a little bit more of like a reddish look. Those are all blending so nice together. Same thing back with that big e.l.f. fluffy brush just to blend everything together again. Now I'm like a cut crease queen, so sorry if y'all don't like that, but that's what we're doing today. So I'm actually thinking I was going to use my boyfriend's purse and like put that all over my lid, but something in my brain is telling me to go in with Exposed and put that all over and kind of do a cut crease look with that. Let's give it a shot. Alright, so with this e.l.f. concealer, I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand. It's in the shade Fair Warm. It's, I think, one of their lightest, if not the lightest shade that they have. I'm just going to put it on this flat brush and just start carving out where I want to put the shade Exposed. Alright, so now that I have my crease cut, let's get that shade on. With this flat brush, this is from Sephora. It's one of their collections they did for Christmas a couple years ago. I'm going in with Exposed. Super easy to put on. It blended in. Just going to go back in with that 217 brush from MAC just to kind of make sure that everything in the outer area is blended out. I just added a little bit more of My Apology, and I'm going to add that back into my outer area. Now recently I just bought these from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's like glitter liners that they have. So, I mean, I really like how this gold looks, but I feel like the silver is going to look better, and I'm just going to add that right here into my crease. I never even heard about these before, so I'm just going to do a quick swatch. This video is not about this liner, but let's just see. Alright, here is the liner swatched. It's just, I don't know, nothing crazy. It's not like glittery or anything. It's just kind of more of like a metallic eyeliner. Now I'm just going to add that right here. Alright, I'm just going to need another layer. When I was swatching it on my hand, it took like a couple swipes to get some type of payoff. You probably can't even see that because girl, it's so light. I feel like it's like I just bought this and it feels like almost dry. I have the glitter liner on. Hopefully you guys can see it. I think that it just takes a couple tries to, you know, build it up to get it to what you want it to be. Maybe mine was just like the last one on the shelf and it's so dried. I don't know. I'm going to try swatching the other one that I have just to see it's the same. Obviously this video is not about these e.l.f. glitter liners, but I'm just curious to see if this one is the same. Oh, I already see so much product on there. Let's see. Oh, yeah, you can definitely see that. I'm going to do one more layer. Okay, so the one thing that I do notice that you probably might not be able to see like close up is that it's kind of like a little patchy, just like a little bit, but this one is definitely more liquidy. Like I feel like the other one was a little dry. I just bought it like sometime this week. Like, I don't know, maybe I just got a bad one because you can see that there's product in there. I shook it. I don't know. But I mean, maybe I'm just being dramatic because it does look good in the crease. I don't know. I think it's cute. And it was what, like $2 or $3, so you get what you pay for. But an eyeliner that I do love by e.l.f. Cosmetics is their liquid eyeliner. Ooh, it's my favorite. Alright guys, and I'm back. I don't know if I mentioned in the first clip, but I just finished my wing, and then I also went in with some mascara. Today's mascara is the In Extreme Dimension by MAC Cosmetics. And now I'm just gonna do probably a little smoke underneath the eye. Now for me personally, like, I don't like it too smoky under the eye. Sometimes it's that way, but I just kind of like to do a light hand. First thing I'm gonna do with this e.l.f. brush, it's a detailed crease brush by e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm gonna go in with the shade Diet Root Beer very lightly. And I'm actually gonna use the palette to see, oh yeah, this is a cute mirror. And I'm just gonna smoke it out under the eye. You know what? No. Well, Lindsay, get your life. But I think that's all I'm gonna do is just like a little smoke underneath the eye. Like I said, like, you know, sometimes I just accidentally take it there and then it gets a little too smoky, but today I'm just gonna stick with just like that tiny bit of Diet Root Beer. And all right, we are almost done, but I'm gonna add a lip to top it all off. Going in with Christmas Cookie from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, obviously. And then here is the completed look that I have given y'all today using the what's a minner? The Mini Controversy palette by Dawson / Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And here we go. Final thoughts. This palette is that it's a good palette. I mean, Jeffree's formulas are obviously my favorite. I now own all of his palettes. I just think that they all blend out beautifully. You know, I don't have trouble in my outer crease because sometimes it just looks so patchy in my outer crease and it's just like, no. But his eyeshadows are always phenomenal and I just can't stop looking at this look. So I think it's so cute. I'm just really sad that I'm gonna go downstairs and make some dinner instead of like going out, because this is like a makeup look that I would like wear out and like, you know, go to dinner or like go to hang out with your friends, you know, something fun. But you know what? We just go make some dinner at home and probably watch something on Netflix. Thank you so much for watching today's video. You know the drill. If you're not subscribed, it would mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like. And I love when you guys comment because I just love interacting with you guys. So don't forget to leave a comment of, you know, things that you want me to do in a future video or what you loved about this video, or any feedback is, you know, I'm open for that as well. Thank you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. I don't know why I love using my hands, so rainbow effect if I knew how to do it, but I don't. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Have a great day and a great week.